In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a hyperlink to an email using Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy skill that helps make your emails more interactive and professional, allowing your recipients to easily access web pages or documents directly from the email you send. First, you'll need to make sure you're signed into your Microsoft Outlook account. Once you're in, head straight over to your Outlook dashboard. It's important to note that this process works best on a desktop or laptop browser, as the mobile version may have slight differences in user interface. Once you're comfortable and ready, the next step is to initiate a new email. Now let's get this started by clicking on New Email from your Outlook interface. What you have here is a fresh canvas to type your message. Start by composing the body of your email as you normally would. Type in all the necessary details, greetings, and content that you want to communicate. Be mindful that clarity and concise wording work best for maintaining your reader's attention. Once you have your email draft ready, decide where you want to place your hyperlink. Make sure the sentence or phrase you plan to hyperlink is clear and directly relates to the link destination. This will ensure that your reader knows exactly what to expect when they click through. With your cursor highlighting the word or phrase you intend to hyperlink, proceed to the top menu bar of your email draft window. Navigate to the Insert tab, which is usually located near the top center of the window. You'll notice a variety of options under this tab, but the one that concerns us today is labeled Link. Click on this option, which will then reveal different choices for inserting your hyperlink. You can choose to link to an existing file or web page, which suits most hyperlink needs. In the dialog box that appears, you'll find two important fields: Text to Display and Address. The Text to Display field is where you'll type the text or phrase in your email that your recipients will click on. Meanwhile, the Address field is where you'll paste the URL you want to link to. Carefully ensure that the URL is correct to avoid any errors or broken links when your recipient tries to click through. Once you've filled in these fields with your desired text and URL, simply confirm by clicking OK. Your selected text should now appear as a hyperlink, typically underlined and in a different color to indicate its clickability. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a hyperlink into your email. Check everything over one last time to make sure the email is exactly how you want it and it's ready to send. This straightforward yet effective method of hyperlinking in Outlook can make all the difference in how easily your information is accessed and shared. This concludes our guide for today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and can now add hyperlinks to your emails with ease and confidence. Thanks for tuning in.